Okay, now we discuss the next topic, and in this topic we discuss the e-health and uh, electronics vehicle charging system. Okay, that is the most important topics. Okay, next first we discuss the IoT in e-health system. Okay, in today e-life we will be always to be deal with the information with the play a significant role in our lives. Okay, one of the major sources of the information is be observing the through the internet here. When we moving from the here around, we can see the things that are acting smart and are thus making the human's life more smart and certain. Okay, so basically in IoT's each sector is the major importance here. We creating a device for the controlling the human activities. Okay, and if any problems in this in humans, then we can detect easily by creating the such types of the devices here. Okay, and uh, IoT devices getting the okay. The IoT offer to grand promise to the field of the e-health, where it's the principle are already being the applied to increase the quality of the cares, improve access to cares, and most important, reduce the cost of the cares. These are the things basically IoT will provide here. The quality of the cares, improve to access cares, and we can also reduce the cost of the particular cares. Okay, so we are using embedded technologies by using the application like e-health system and thus delivery cares to peoples in this remote location and monitor the system that's providing a continuous stream from the accurate data for the better cares of decisions. Okay, so these are the basically area of the IoT in the healthcare. We can promise here. Okay, we can also basically control the various risk like high blood pressures. Okay, and due to the instant stream overweight conditions and family problems and high blood pressures, we can also control here. So these are the devices is currently using. Okay, the next what are the objects, what are the main focus on the e-health here. Basically the main focus basically to develop the gathering patient medical data, and that was the never be available for the analysis and delivering cares to people from whole cares was not previously accessed. To develop the IoT driver system for the making it the possible to ridiculously reduce the cost and improve the health by the increasing the availability and quality of the cares here. Okay, we can basically main focus on the sensor that collect the patient data and microcontroller that process analyzing and wireless communication that data and microprocessor that can enable the rich graphical user interface here. To develop the health specific gathering or through which the sensor data in the future analysis and the sent to the clouds here. Taking this basically how to collect the data. Okay, by using the different sensors we can collect the patient data here, then analyze them data and we can also store the data in a cloud basis. Okay, because we can cloud data we can access in the anywhere. Then architecture of the system, if IoT enable e-health, where the what is the architecture here. The first will the connection. Okay, the connection, the focus of this uh, function is the related to the how to device is the connected to the ecosystems here. ecosystem, like if you calculating the blood pressures, high blood pressure, low blood pressures. Okay, these are the basically how to a device will be connected. Okay, that's why the first level is here, the life cycle level is the connections here. Then will be a collection. Okay, the connection and collection. So what the collection here? The focus of the functions is the related to how the data is the collected from the sensors, and the data can be a push or the uh, push push or pull from the sensors here. Okay, which data will be selected or not selected, we can collect the data from the different sensors. Okay, now third is the steps is here the correlations. Okay, the main focus on this correlation here. The focus of this function is related to the mapping the data to the contents, and thus are correlated to the create the meaningful or concise data that can be processed and be used to make a decision. Okay, so in this correlation, if data we collect the data here, first we establish the connection between device and ecosystem, then after collect the data from the sensors, and after collecting data from the sensor, how to correlate them. Okay, this data will be correlate, and then we find the meaningful data here, and we make the decision on the basis of the meaningful data. The last one is the collaboration. The focus of this function to enable the collaborations of the patients, the care teams. Okay, in this collaboration is the basically focus on the functionality is be enables. Okay, what are the functionality will be enabled in this collaborations of the patient. Okay, and what they take care of them, this one. Okay, so that is the important points here. Okay, now look at the e-health in IoT architecture. It's the architecture of the e-health system. Okay, here the look at the applications layer with the application service networks and IoT in nodes here. In the look at the lower level will be IoT in nodes. Yeah, look at the devices here. Device 1, device 2 are the basically the control, and it's a control device or control from the IP networks and non-IP networks. Okay, we can using both here. Okay, some devices are the we need some IPs, and some devices are no need to IPs here. Basically in this architecture we control the IP networks and non-IP networks. You can also, and this control will be connected with the local smart gateway. Okay, it's like a users here, networks level here, and smart gateway are the basically connected with the services. Okay, the services, any IoT services will be here. It's a store in the cloud basis. Okay, and these are the application, like what are here the, and these application are connected with the internet here. Everything will be connected in the internets. Okay, look at the network and services are connected with the internet, and services and application is also connected with the internet here, and IoT devices are connected with the local networks here. Okay, so all are the connected in the internet here. Here the applications is here. What are the application will be provided on the basis of the data, and users here. Okay, and it's showing the IoT devices here. Okay, what are the devices will be using in this system. Here the totally of four levels, four the application level is the top levels here, and IoT in nodes is the basically physical levels. ये physical level हो गया आपका, ये आपका application level हो गया, and these are the middle layers here, services and networks. Okay, the next, these are the advantage here. So all of you know that the e-health system IoT is the more advantage here, because it's the controlling your everything's here, the physical limitations. Okay, improve the traditional systems. Okay, like Ethernet, USB, and we can basically uh, and we can use a microcontrol based wireless device based on the popular wireless standards such as like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth in the clinicals and hospitals we can use here. Gateway design for the medical devices. Designing can be provide the platform to create a remote access device to from the remote monitorings. Okay, and smart sensors for the low power operations are essential to keep the devices footprint small and extending battery lives. So this is the more advantage here, and it's the GUI basis. Okay, the graphical user basis enable the users can be easily understand uh, the features here. Okay, the next will be IoT in the electronics vehicle. Okay, vehicle charging, how to provide the vehicle charging help in IoTs here. Okay, the many countries are moving toward the population free traffics. Okay, and electronics vehicles are the gaming more polluted popularities access in this global sphere. Okay, as the number of electronics vehicle increase, we need the electronic charges infrastructure to also provide the basic needs here. That is the main about, area the electronics vehicle charges, because day by day electronics vehicles number of the electronics vehicles are the increasing here. A system with the IoTs will be a definitely streamlines the performance of the performance of the electronics vehicle charging, and look the important is the method of the helpful to the transport of application, and here the vehicle to changing V2G system. The proposed system will be improve the city plans. Now currently is the it's the petrol basis, diesel petrol basis vehicles is available, but now after 10 to 15 years the now scenario will be changed. We need some electronics vehicles for the electronic vehicle charges is needed. Okay, this proposed system will be improve the city plans and make the city life easy. With the IoT, we can easily manage the whole B2G systems here, and definitely the save the time and money here. This work is to be make the smart application to connect with the grids. Okay, and to know the different traffic rate for the grids here. Okay, this work is make the smart application to connect with the grid and to know the different traffic rates for the grids. The traffic tariff rates will be both the rate of the power delivery to the grids and to take the power from the grids, and if the user is having to the take care of the battery fulls, then that is the importance. Basically is the earning of the money process here. This is the whole process for the how to manage the grids here. Okay, taking the different sites of grids. Okay, different service providers, electricity service provider, then take them and then provide the user to charge the vehicles from here. Okay, and we can earn some here. Okay, this is the process, the block diagram for the of the systems here. There are the three phases: power supply here, 440 volts. AC current will be provided here, RYB here. Okay, and these are RYB is connected with the AC to DC. Okay, bidirectional connectivities here. The different control units here, unit 1, unit 2, these are the units here, and all are the control from the IoT devices here, and DC converters here for the charging the vehicles here, and all of those here the three vehicles will be charging in these figures here. We can start the multiple vehicles and controls and data collection and internet gateway for the clouds here, and HMI port application here. By using HMI port HMI application, we can access your car will be charges or not charged. Okay, and what is the percentage of the charging, we can manage the uh, manage easily. Okay, and IoT is the basically IoT control the AC and DC and DC to AC bidirectional converters here is the basically controlling here. So this is the basic diagrams here. Okay, The next one is the look at the electric vehicle charging system here. Okay, it's the totally it's the power grid. Okay, and here the we're using LTT, W-Wi-Fi. This one, these are the Ethernet using here. Energy management, load management, and system management. Here the control center is here. Basically, it's the controlling the power grids. Okay, it's the manage the energy management, load management, and system management, and all the information stored in the cloud basis real-time communication, and this will be connected with the LTE. Okay, this and by using Wi-Fi authentication processes here, electric vehicle charging places here. This is the electric vehicle charging. This is the app, EV apps. The user can see this current position, charging position will be checking here, the percentage of the charging available here. Then electric scooter, here the another charging places here, the electric scooter charging station here. Okay, and e-scooter app will be provided here. The next one is the electric scooter battery swapping station here. Here the swapping station, if your battery is the if you want to change the battery from particular places, and you can use them and go. But here the look at the electric charging places, it's need maybe a 30 to 40 minutes for the charging the battery, but in electric scooter battery swapping station, just for the 5 to 10 minutes, and easily drop the old batteries and chargeable battery, you can put them here. That is the concept of the here. The whole scenario will be uh, uh, develops here. Okay, here the basically energy management. Here the charging point here. The charging will be based on the maybe a electric charging system cars. We can use the EV apps के through you can see them, and scooter charging here, and some battery swapping process you can also here. Okay, but these are the concept of the electric vehicles charging systems here. Okay, and these are the references. Thank you for listening this video. Okay, thanks.